Why sell your luxury home with Rubirosa International Realty? At Rubirosa International Realty, you get the expertise of 3 brokers for the cost of 1. We offer unmatched exposure to over 100,000 realtors across 3 states, backed by 25 years of experience. We're members of 7 realtor boards, ensuring your home gets maximum visibility. National Association of Realtors, New York, New Jersey, and Florida Board of Realtors, Hudson Gateway, Greater Bergen, and Miami Board of Realtors. Your property will also appear on 4 MLS platforms, syndicated to major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Trulia, plus IDX sharing syndication with other brokerages. A boutique approach without limits. Unlike franchises restricted by territories, we market your home across all our MLS platforms for unparalleled reach. Innovative marketing that delivers. We showcase your property and use. Professional photography and HD videography, drone footage and 3D virtual tours. Strategic social media campaigns. Targeted mailing campaigns within our 3 licensed states. Rubirosa International Realty. Experience. Exposure. Results. Call today for a no-obligation consultation. Let's sell your home.